Hola, welcome. How are you doing, everyone? I hope you're having a nice day. So what we got happening here? What do we got happening here? I hear you say. Okay, well, it's quite simple. We got a little move off our base here, which is nice, and we don't know what's going to happen. So my under and over for this move is going to be here. Um, EW perspective, you got, one, two, three, four, five. There's a two. One, two, three, four, five, maybe three. This is four, and then five, possibly. Um, if that's the case, then our invalidaciono will be rocking it back into the one, which is going to be here. So 63,817 roughly. So that's why this is my under over. So this chubba 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 down. This chubba break that, then that immediately eliminates the idea that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 happening. That does measure, by the way, just for those of you who, oh no, she doesn't. Okay, so that'll be a 4-5-4-5. So what will that be? Well, that would be a 1, 2. This is 3, 4, 5. That's the end of 3, 4, 5. That's what that will be. And so this is why this is going to be very important here, because this is going to tell you whether you want to go long or whether you want to go short. Let's just do this here, because this is obviously oh yeah, we are still got some bumps to go here. So this is the 0.5. Right, this here. Right, here we go. There'll be 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 4 and a 5. Okay, so what I'm looking for, and this 4 that we're currently, if this is a 4 that we're currently working on, I think could do with being a taj deeper. Let's come to the 382, I guess. We have rejected 382, and we've also rejected the VWAP. So let's see, but without much kind of highfalutin flonking. So I'm still expecting this to probably creep back up again and give us a decision here. So yeah, so that's it really. It's all about here. It's all about this here. So either we're going to do this and come down, or we're going to come and find support here, and if we do that, then we're going up. The big level to watch will be 63,817. Okay, is that exactly? Have I said that exact, or is that me just making stuff up? Actually, it's not. It's actually 63,762. This low here, that's the one we don't want to touch for bearish continuation, right? If we touch that, toute la bet, say off. All right, all the bets are off, and we're now probably looking at something else, because this would then become a B and a C, and it's finished. And after 3 waves, we're now looking for 5 waves up, and I'll be looking for that, and looking for that, and looking for that, and looking for that, and looking for that. Obviously, it's still bearish because we're looking for the big short from up here, but it doesn't mean that we can't do that first. Okay. So I think some people get confused when you're trying to play the smaller time frames, like most people want to try and do, and they think, oh, you're bullish all the time. But no. I'm actually bearish. I think we're coming down here at some point. Anyway, so yeah, so if you caught the long from here, that's great. It was about a 1.1%er, so actually you could be done for the day if you got in nice and low. Yeah, about 1%. That's good. So, and if you're short from up here, you want to be taking profits and managing this section here, because this is very much in the spectrum of The 786 has been touched right there. So that is very much what we could be looking at. Came into the 618, 786, what they call the platinum pocket, apparently. I don't know. I could be wrong about that. Anyway, and then it's up again. And then this is your 1, 2, this is your A and your B and your C. Right. Okay, that's the possibilities, really. But the big area to watch is here. This is all about here. It might have already decided it doesn't want to do anything else and it wants to come down. It does feel a little bit short to me. But we have come to VWAP. It's not particularly decided to rattle away, and it has currently staying within whatever this little channel it's making here. See this little channel it's making here. Let's actually see if we can do that a bit more properly, Mr. Adrian, and see if we can do that like this. And that goes like that. Yep, and that goes like that, and then that goes like that. Oh, so we have actually, looks like we've just broken out of it. So let's see what happens on the retest. There's news. We have news. Have you had news? We have news later on today, in about an hour and a half. Sentiment, and there's some. Oh, this has happened. This has happened. Why isn't this showing up on my thing? This happened. This has happened now. We've got building permits are down. Housing starts are up. So that's 0. Import prices are up by 0.3. Doesn't really matter. But this will be the thing that will generate some interest, if anything's going to today. Let's have a quick peep at what we're doing here. This is always useful. Go away. Okay. This doesn't look very nice, if I'm honest with you. From a bully point of view, we have lost. We've lost open interest and CBD here. They're both on the down. So this is just these. We're closing out stuff here. This looks like it was a short squeeze at the moment and not much else. So unless these guys turn and start to move and we start to see new money come in here, I think it might continue to dribble. But let's wait and see. Too early to tell. Alrighty. Okay, guys and girls, that's your lot from me. I'm diddly done now for the day. And I will catch you maybe tomorrow if something interesting happens this afternoon. If not, I shall be back on Monday. All right, then. Lots of love. Have a nice weekend. Dig a large hole. Taddy buys.